Right, let's take a look at DSY to see what is actually doing. Okay, DSY is a dollar index. Okay, so look at the long time move of the structure. If you can be able to zoom it up, see the long time move structure. Obviously, we know that the market is taking up an impulsive leg, just like this. It's an impulsive leg. So we'll be looking for a significant corrective structure, okay, if not another impulse downward. So we'll be looking for a corrective structure or another impulse. Why I said another impulse is because this is from the higher time frame. You can see this. Okay, so you can see something like this. Okay, this is another impulse. Let me go with this. This is another impulse. First impulse again to trend. Then the market did corrective structure. Yeah, okay, did corrective structure. Then another impulse. Okay, let me change this to different color. So now looking at the general terms, you see that this is an expanding flat pattern. Okay, so if I should bring this to this form, is an expanding flat pattern. Okay, that's why I said it might also be an expanding flat pattern. Okay, so this impulse corrective structure. So obviously we might be seeing a very heavy down for USD DXY. Okay, DXY dollar index. Okay, so that is what I mean by it can be a corrective structure for another, or it will drop down big time. Okay, so obviously where are we now? This is the current space where we are now. This is the current area we are now. Okay, so we're looking at the market, and the market has broken this counter-trend line already. Okay, this counter-trend line has been broken. So what we have is the first impulse against the trend. Okay, the first impulse against the trend down like this. So what we expect is either the market reverse from here or move down a little, but we expect a reversal. If we can see a reversal, something like this, okay, then we can take another down. Okay, for the market to go more down, right? So this is the first impulse against the trend. All right, so this first one has not ended. Okay, for us to be sure that it has ended, we need to see a structure, okay, being broken. But currently, we can see that the market is doing some shopping moves. So this means that this a corrective structure more than probably may be seen. So let's take it to 15 minutes so that you can see clear of what the market is doing. Do you see that shopping move? This is the shopping move, okay? This is the shopping move, okay? So the market wants to go down. It can still go more down or continue up before going down. Okay, so that is what we're expecting to see from DXY. But currently, I believe that for this spike, this push up, corrective structure, another push up probably need to come on 15 minutes, okay? But I have done a analysis on the bigger time from what we're expecting to see. So the USD will be going down for a long time, okay? All right, so with this understanding, DSY will be going down. If you, what it means is that USD will be weak for a long time, okay? All right, so with this, now let's look at the US oil, the US oil structure. Okay, this is the structure for US oil. Let me put it on 4 hours. So this is the structure for US oil, okay? So US oil has pushed down, has broken this down, okay? Sharp down, very, very sharp down, has broken this down, okay? Finally, you can see that. So now what we are looking for is a corrective structure. This is a corrective structure. So obviously, if this market comes down and reach to this, risk can still reverse, or it can reverse up. One thing I know is that there is a corrective structure that is cooking here, okay? So after this corrective structure, another down will come. Okay, so for now, US oil, the bias is upward, okay? is upward. This corrective structure is what is cooking. It's cooking. Okay. So let's look at it at 15 minutes. Look at it at 15 minutes, you can see clearly what the market is doing, obviously. So another up needed to come before this market to push down. Okay. So obviously this is a consolidation stage. So if you break this low, it's coming to clear this gap. But if you break high, you do another leg for it to start coming down. Okay. That is for US oil. All right, with this understanding, let's look at USD card. So this USD card on 15 minutes, but obviously let's take a look at it on 1 hour so we can be able to be on the same page, okay? So on 1 hour, what are we seeing? Remember what I showed us just now on 15 minutes, so on a DSY, okay? All right, so what are we see? What are we looking at? So this is the 4 hours USD card, okay? So what do you expect to see? On this kind of structure, we see that the market is pushed down, okay? So we're expecting it's doing a corrective structure for another down. So more down is coming, obviously. So if you put it on 15 minutes, you will see that corrective structure that looks so fun. This is a corrective structure that looks so fun. Obviously, it's either the market start going down, right? Or the market might need to push up to create another high. The market push up to create another high. Obviously, here, market will start to testing downward to go more down. Okay, so wait for the market to finish this corrective structure. It's not done yet with this corrective structure, so I'm not going to sell it right now. Okay, even if I want to, I still need to wait for this line breakout. Okay, breakout before I start selling. Or I still believe that it need to push more up to create a nice structure before going down. That is for USD card. Okay, so the bias is down after this corrective structure, and the down is coming. All right, so looking at GBP USD. So if the USD card is going to push a little bit up for correction, so this one going to push a little bit down before another up. Okay, because it was obvious to us that the market created break this counter trend line pushed up, we need to see a corrective structure for another up. So obviously GU, we are expecting the market to be an up movement. Okay, despite all this up, okay, we're expecting the market to give us an up push. Okay, an up push. All right, it's already riding up. It's already riding up. Already riding up. So any corrective structure, another up will be expected. The same goes to Euro USD. Same goes to Euro USD. Okay, we're expecting another up. So after corrective structure, another up is expected. Same goes to Euro USD. So is it possible for this market to push down below this pressure? It's possible. Very, very possible. Okay. You can see this structure is very, very possible. So the market can choose to throw another down if it wants. Okay, before another up. Okay, it's very, very possible. But for me, I prefer if I see a corrective structure and it breaks it upward, I'll follow it upward. Okay, that is what I do. But if the market is sharp pushing down, I just relax because I know this market will go. So I will not want to involve myself in a wrong move. Okay. All right. So let's look at HDGJPY. HDGJPY. Let's go for 4 hours. This HDJPY. Okay. So HDJPY will be expecting the market to push down HDJPY so that the structure will be completed. Then market may want to go more, but nevertheless, downs is expected. Down is expected on a big time. Very soon the market will start trending down. Okay, very soon market will start trending down. But where the market is currently, you can see what the market is doing. If I should go by these 4 hours, I see what the market is doing. Okay, went down, corrective structure, will go another down. Yeah, that is what the market is doing currently. So if I take it to 15 minutes, it may be more clear for me to say that this market has broken a trend line. This is the down, and it consolidates. And after that, more down is expected. Okay, so that is for SGD/JPY, and that implies to some other JPY pairs. Okay, like AUD JPY. So strongly believe that 15 minutes time frame, I need more down. Okay, on the AUD JPY, more down is expected. AUD NZD, very sharp move, very sharp move. So you can see here we are getting some good movement and this is a corrective structure forming to be either a regular flat pattern or it may end up to be a contracted, but I believe it will be a regular flat. More and more up, the market can start going down again. Okay, but these are corrective structure. For this down, we're expecting this down. Okay, so AUD and ZD, we're expecting a down move. Okay, expecting a down move. So even if you put it on a 15 minute, the 15 minutes, okay, it's already on 15 minutes. Sorry, let me put it on 4 hours. So let me put it on 4 hours so that we can see clearly what we're expecting. So this is the 4 hours, okay? This is the 4 hours. Okay, so obviously we'll be expecting a down after this up as a corrective structure to get more down. Maybe that will be the last down before the market will start pushing up, okay? Because I am sensing this down corrective structure down, okay? So on the 15 minutes, we can go with the 15-minute structure. Go with the 15-minute structure for another up to come. After this corrective structure, down another up need to consider the structure will be fully completed, okay, on AUD and ZD. Then Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Euro GBP, this is wonderful. So let me put it on 4 hours. Euro GBP. Euro GBP, this is what we saw for it is down, we're expecting another down. So obviously the last down is pushing. Obviously the last down is pushing. So I don't know how far it can go, but from what I'm seeing here, this might be the last high. Market will push more down heavily. But let's see how this one finally ends up, okay? Because what I might be seeing after the end of this is this market forming a corrective structure for this down. Did want to go up again after this down now, go up again a little as a running flat to go more down. That's what I am suspecting the market to do. But on 15 minutes, we keep on riding, okay? We keep on riding. So after this down, more up is expected after this down. That is sharp after this down, more up is expected. Then I will ride that up. Or it will be nice to ride it once the market the up started breaking this counter trend after this low, come up to this counter trend, or even more, create another structure, then break it, then that up will be visible. But for now, I'm just watching it to finish this down so that I can be prepared to ride up with it. All right, so looking at Euro NZD, Euro NZD. So the market is completing a structure. Yeah, obviously I can call it a corrective structure, apart especially on this 1, 2, 3 way. So it's ranging here. So may probably I might be expecting it to push up, but the structure I'm seeing here is what is tempting me, okay, to sell. This structure is tempting me to sell. That's what I'm seeing. This structure is tempting me to sell. So obviously, I may be expecting another pull down, another pull down. Okay, another pull down for this. So we'll be showing another pull down. Okay. So with that pull down at this neckline can be okay for me to take the profit at this neckline. Okay, because it may pull down and still pull up again. Okay, it depends on the speed you use to pull down. If you pull down seriously, that means it's going down fully. This will not be the correct structure for another down. Okay, but if you did a corrective structure like this, you can pull down that up to give us a running back pattern for it can do that. So this is what I'm expecting. You can do this. Okay, then push that up before pushing this down. That's what I mean. But if you use speed to start pushing the damage, obviously it's pushing down. So we will see impulse correction. Okay. But if he does this one, that means he did the second impulse wave with a wave structure. Okay. That will be that. So the corrective structure will be this if we do this. Okay. But if you do only stop here, it will be what this. Okay. It will be only this. So what these are corrective structure I'm seeing for another now. That is for Euro and ZT. Okay. All right. So what about gold? Gold is making its way up, making its way up, making its way up, making its way up, making its way up. So let's look at gold. Okay. So go take a quick sharp. Sorry, let me take this out. So good. Take a quick sharp up. Okay. So any corrective structure more up is expected. Gold is like he wants to push up. Okay. Very well. So any corrective structure, another up. So let's observe our corrective structure, another up. That is what I will do. If I want to trade the gold, I need to observe a corrective structure. Layer one, though what I'm seeing here looks like a corrective structure, but running flat, sort of. But let me put it on 15 minutes to see what I might see later that can encourage me. So it's still on the matter. So if I see any corrective structure now, okay, I will take gold upward. Okay, so gold is an uptrend, no doubt about it. It's an uptrend. So gold is setting off to push more up. All right, so GBP card. GBP card I will be expecting a down move based on the structure that we written there from here. So after this impulse corrective structure for another down. Okay, so I'll be expecting a down move on GBP card. So on 15 minutes like this, something like this will help me to see how far the structure will start going down. So putting my kind of trend like this. After this up, if it breaks it, then I am good to go on GBP card. Let's look at it on 4 hours. Here is the look on 4 hours. So obviously, I might be correct, but this first impulse, corrective structure, another up. Let me draw it like this. First impulse, corrective structure, hopefully should come, okay. After that, another impulse. That is my expectation on GBP card, okay. All right, so after this, you see that this one now has become a corrective structure, okay. Then we will expect another, yeah. We'll be taking them bit by bit as the wave allows us to do, okay. All right, so what next? Let's look at GBP AUD, the same structure, just take a sheet pill. See the analysis I did last week. See if it's a magic. It's not magic, we're just following structure. I draw this one that if you break this one, it's going to go down, and if you break this one, it's going to go more down. So if you break this one, it's still retest and go down. You break this one, so it's correcting now to go more down. So after this up push, more down, okay, it is on a down trend. Remember this big move. It's going to be a sweet ride, okay. Imagine you started entering it from here, and here, that is where you are now. Good profit, okay? So that is what I'm expecting on GU. More than is expected. After this corrective structure of another down is expected, okay? NZD chef. NZD chef. For a very long time, NZD chef has played a very nice role. So it's an impulsive wave that created this move. So we'll be expecting the market to finish the corrective structure. So look at this nice shape. Look at this nice shape. This shape is very nice. Look at impulse. First impulse against the trend. After that, the market with the corrective structure. So this is the market of the week. This is the market of the second. Just seen this now. This is the market of the week. Let's take it. It's the market of the week. Not let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it. There is the market of the week. Boom, boom, boom. Three-wave structure as a corrective structure. Boom. And the counter trend line has been broken. Okay. It has not anyway, but it will soon be broken. Okay. So let's wait. The moment this market closes below this counter trend line, we are good to go. Wow. 2 by 2 of this movement. Let's check where we are targeting. 2 by 2 of this movement. Remember what I said, 2 by 2 used to be. The 2 by 2 of this movement will be somewhere here. So here will be our target. Here will be our target. Our target will be somewhere here. Okay. This will be our target. Okay. Will be our target. And if we enter here, we are going to risk either we're going to risk something like this, entering here, okay? Put your stop loss below here, okay? Then your take profit land here, okay? So you will start 8 pips and you make 60 pips. So these are what you can gain from this, or you can wait for corrective structure, a retracement. After breaking this, going up for retracement, that is what I call discount. So you can then enter from there and write it down. So these are very nice. This NZD chef is the market or the trade of the week. Don't miss it, okay? Don't miss this. All right, so finally, let's look at GJ. Finally, let's look at GJ. So this is GJ in disguise. Okay, so GJ looks like he's disguising himself. Okay, but a little down up, down we'll be expecting. Okay, little down up for me. This is a low. This is a low. Okay, push up. It's still gonna push up and do a corrective structure for more up. Let me just draw what I'm just trying to portray. Okay, just trying to portray something like this, corrective structure on that up. Okay, if that will be okay, then the line down will start coming. But obviously, I need to see the market to rally up again. So GJ is an upward move before the down expected, or the market can choose to just do only correction like this. Okay, then push up again. Okay, that is what we expect on a GJ. Okay, that corrective structure might be the nice one, this one, nice one, then for the structure to look very sharp. Let me do it again on this corrective structure. This is what I mean. Corrective structure, a nice up. So the structure may be very, very clear, so that if you get this structure, the trend line, then if you break it more down expected. Okay, so that is what I'm expecting to see on GJ. All right, thank you very much. Watch the video, okay, and make sure that you take advantage of the video. All right, watch the video, take advantage of it. Choose the one that looks more real and more cool for you, and make good profits. Thank you very much, and have a profiting